we need to discuss the responsibilities of the housekeeping department. So that is how we would be able to judge the role of supervisor in a proper manner. So the first and the foremost responsibility of the housekeeping is to achieve the maximum efficiency in ensuring the care and comfort of guests as well as smooth functioning of the department. As we have talked about this, that when the guest is paying uh, a hefty amount for one night of stay, so the care in the care and comfort of the guest is something which matters the most. It means the minute detail of pest control has been taken care of. It means the room the AC is working in a proper manner. It means I'll get the privacy in the room. It also means when the guest is willing to sit down on the carpet area or in the sofa or onto the bed, all these areas have to be neat and clean, right? So that is called the maximum efficiency, ensuring the care and comfort of the guest. The laundry which is given to a guest has to be neat and clean. It must not have been must not be given for the reuse. It must not be torn from anywhere. So this is how we maintain the standard of five-star hotel. Next important responsibility is to establish a welcoming atmosphere. So that when guest comes in the room, there is a flower arrangement which makes the environment relaxing for the customer. It could be a small mini platter of cookies. It could be the mini bar. It could be tea and coffee supplies in the room. It could be the neat and properly made bed in my room. It could be the view of the outside from my room. So we need to establish a welcoming atmosphere, which could be carried out in various forms by using the towel origami, by placing the flower arrangement, by placing the complimentary food basket, by keeping or by stacking more number of supplies in the mini bar. So we need to extend the welcome to the guest with the private note also at times, wherein the general manager signs and the private note is kept in the hotel room to make them feel welcome into the hotel. So this is one of the important responsibilities of housekeeping department. Next is to ensure courteousness, reliable services from all staff to the guest. We have talked about this, that how the courtesy plays an important role in maximizing your proficiency, because while you're being courteous to the staff, it means you're being empathetic. We are trying to understand what the guest is trying to say. You're not passing the buck by listening them with the half attention, right? And the services become more reliable from all staff to the guest when you are trying to ensure the courtesy towards the guest. The courtesy could be extended by saying thank you sir, thank you for making a visit to the hotel. The courtesy could be extended by giving a small token of chocolates. It could be extended by giving flowers. It means extending the thank you to the guest for making the visit again to the hotel. So if you are being courteous and your services would help the guest to develop the faith in the hotel, right? And now next time they will come back to the hotel. I would like to quote one example of a very prominent hotel that is there in India. They talked about this. They talked about word of mouth. Word of mouth is something that has been getting the guests from last 20 years to their hotel. It means they are not having the spare budget for making an advertisement in the national paper, or they are not having the spare budget for making the advertisement in the TV. Word of mouth, why I said particularly, their services are so good, so fine tuned, that the guest always wants to come back to that hotel, and at the same time they recommend the services to other guests for staying in that hotel. So this is how we can ensure courtesy to the guest. The next responsibility is is to ensure a high standard of cleanliness and general upkeep in all areas for which the department is responsible. If we talk about the areas which the housekeeping covers, so it covers all the rooms, it also covers the corridors, it covers the elevators, swimming pool, restaurant area, uh, private areas that are the room. In all the areas, the high standard of cleanliness has to be maintained. Any area cannot be left unattended, thinking or stating that we do not get the frequent customer in this area. It could be a possibility on one fine day you get 100% occupancy. At that time, you cannot rush to make last minute arrangement. Therefore, housekeeping has to maintain high standard of cleanliness in all the areas with regard to linen, with regard to the services, with regard to the floor cleaning, washroom cleaning in the public area as well as in the private areas. So that is how, and the general upkeep. If we talk about the definition of housekeeping, housekeeping is something which is responsible for cleanliness, aesthetic appeal, and cleanliness maintenance, as well as aesthetic upkeep of the hotel. So the aesthetic upkeep is something which beautifies the area, which complements the area. So this is how housekeeping plays a major role in providing the high standard of cleanliness. The next responsibility of the housekeeping department is to provide linen in all the rooms, restaurants, banquet halls, conference halls, health clubs, etc., as well as to maintain an inventory of the same. As this sentence suggests, to provide linen in all the rooms. Let us take an example of a 500 room property. In 500 room property, if there are twin beds, you have to provide the bed sheets, pillow covers, blanket, and duvet in all the rooms. Let us say if in 500 rooms we have got twin bedded rooms, it means 1000 is the number. At the same time, if you have to provide the towels in the room, so the linen has to be available in par number in par stock. So this par stock will help us to provide the clean linen in all the rooms, and we must not forget that the room cannot be made without the linen. Even though you have cleaned the room, you cannot give the used bed sheet or used towels to a guest, right? Everything which is kept in a hotel room has to be fresh. Apart from the washroom supplies, apart from the toiletries, anything and everything has to be freshly stacked so that the guests feel welcome in the hotel. If we talk about the restaurant covers the table linen, it also covers the serviettes that are provided. Banquet halls, you may have again to provide the serviettes, the table cover for the round tables, you have to provide the frills and the other type of linen. Conference halls, again, it depending upon the type of conference that the guest is holding. Health club, again, the towels have to be provided. So the laundry or the linen room in the hotel is functional for from 8 to 8 or 7 to 7, depending upon the volume of the work. And all these areas need linen. And apart from this, the uniform of the hotel employee is also the responsibility of the hotel of the housekeeping staff. And therefore, it is desirable that people who are coming to work in the linen room or in the laundry room should have the knowledge of the type of the linen, should have the knowledge of the cleaning agent, should have the knowledge of the machinery and the equipment, about the eco-friendly practices. So that is how you become a supervisor in the future. So moving on to the next slide.